The speed deadlift with bands mimics the normal deadlift in that you use the same stance, same grip, but it just adds bands. So the purpose here is to generate as much force as possible all the way to lockout. Notice how the start is smooth and the lockout is aggressive. Rest times usually range from 30 to 45 seconds in between sets. These are used generally for dynamic effort day. Take your normal conventional stance, the bar over midfoot. Take your normal grip width. Initiate the deadlift smoothly and accelerate to lockout.